Hey, this is your president. You better subscribe to Pixie's tutorial now.
Wait, is that, Donald Trump?
Absolutely.
Hello, Matilda. Hey, Amelia.
Is that Taylor Swift's voice?
Yeah, it's Pixie. But, Pixie, is that a voice changer?
Yes, I'm using a voice changer.
What the...
And guess what? I can switch to any voice.
Hey, Erica, guess who's this?
Oh my god, is that Anya?
No, I am Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z.
Oh my!
Actually, you are right about that.
Or perhaps you are wrong, Erica.
What? Wait, how are you changing voices?
Hey everyone, if you want to troll your friends like this, use EaseUs VoiceWave voice changer. It uses AI to change your voice. It has 100 plus lifelike sounding celebrity voices. Let's try out Corp's husband voice.
And I kind of like his work, to be honest. It's truly good maker.
This AI voice changer that I'm presenting to you is from EaseUs VoiceWave. Click that download for free button and simply install it. Once you've installed it, it will take you to this page. You will find hundreds of different voices here. The first step is to log in here at the top right-hand side. Once that's done, let's fix the headphone and microphone. Go to the settings. Select your current microphone here and the headphone too. So this is for me though. Let's select one of the voices here, like Donald Trump, perhaps. Now on the right-hand side, you will find some of the settings here, like volume and pitch. Now what is pitch? If you are a guy using guy's voice, you can keep the pitch to 0. If a girl is using guy's voice, she can keep the pitch below 0. Now, let's select a female voice. If you are a girl using girl's voice, keep the pitch 0. If you are a guy using girl's voice, keep the pitch from 5 to 12 based on your voice. You can tweak around to find the perfect voice. Now, there's another cool thing here like adding background sounds. There's a whole list too, like beach, beside the fire, busy city, and many more. Let's go to Switch AI model. This is a great feature. There are 2 types here, performance priority and voice quality priority. Currently, it's performance priority for us. When we switch to voice quality priority, it gets more demanding. It requires GPU and puts loads of pressure on your PC. As you can see, it is using the graphics card. Unless you are using a very high-end PC, it's best to switch back to voice quality priority where you get HD quality voice and lowest latency, with the app being less demanding of your PC. Now it's time to show you some advanced features. Click File Voice Changer. Here you'll find 2 modes, File Mode and Record Mode. Let's go with the Record Mode first, shall we? Set your microphone volume and start recording your voice. You can talk anything you like. Once you're done talking, aka recording your voice, you can click the pause button. It will take you to a page full of different voices. Now you can select any voice here and change it to any character you like. Now, let's do file record. Here, you can add a pre-recorded voice file. Like let's add Donald Trump's speech here. Now listen to this.
States we reject the idea that
mass numbers of people from foreign lands can be permitted
to travel halfway around the world, trample borders, violate our sovereignty, cause unmitigated crime, and deplete our...
So you get the gist of how this thing works. Now we will move on to an even more advanced feature than this. This is called voice cloning. I'm sure you've heard about this many times. This means you can copy anyone's voice. In this feature, the catch is that your audio file needs to be between 1 to 30 minutes long. The longer the audio, the better the AI gets trained. Click Clone now. The app will start training the voice that you have just added. This usually takes around 14 hours, but the quality of the voice would be great. Now let's go to Voice Laboratory. Here, you can make changes in the voice that you're training, like adding a different sort of personality, giving it a robotic feel, adding distortion, chorus too, and many more effects that are mentioned here. Now, I go by a simple rule. If it's working, don't fix it. Meaning, use this feature only if you have a very good knowledge about the sounds and voice tweaks, and you know what you're doing. Because if you try to change something that you have zero knowledge of, chances are, you will end up making it worse. Now remember how I was switching between the voices while trolling my friends? Yes, I will show you how that is done. It's called keybinds. Simply go to settings. Now here you can add shortcut keys for certain commands like to hear yourself on or off. I will keep it O. For microphone on and off, I will keep M. For voice changer, I will keep V. You don't need to copy me here. Do what's best for you. We are not done here. Go back to the main page with all the voices. Select a voice here. A bunch of settings options open up. In Add Keybind, add T for Trump. Then add E for E-Girl. These were the voices I used at the start of the video. For Anya, I used A. And for Trump, I used T. This way, you can add keybinds to all the characters that you are planning to use. Now, let's try out the keybinds here, shall we? When I click A, I can see that Anya's voice is enabled. When I click T, Trump's voice is enabled. This way you can switch between the voices at the speed of light. Same with turning on and off the voice changer and mic. Now, I will give you a quick rundown of how many voice options you get to choose from. First, it's all. Then it's newly added voices. Then all female voices, which includes fictional female characters. Then it's game, anime, Valorant. Not gonna lie, that game is getting popular. VoiceWave also got Discord-related voices. Horror ones are to scare your friends at night. Corpse Husband is my favorite voice. Then there's another popular game voices, Genshin Impact. Fiorina is my personal favorite here. Then we got some sports figures, FPS, celebrity, movie, memes, and sci-fi characters. You can try any voice you like, it's actually pretty fun. I tried it for the first time while playing games with my friends, and it was pretty fun. Now let's say you like a random voice here and you think it suits you. Just favorite it by clicking the heart icon. Then go to the favorite section to find all your favorite voices. Similarly, you can check out the trending voices too that most users are using in big numbers, and finally, we got custom voice. You will find the voice that you've cloned. Remember? We cloned Trump's voice earlier. It will take 14 hours for the AI to train. We have gone through the voices just like that. There are also sound effects. Listen to this. On the right-hand side, you will find more settings. You can use loop, mute microphone, and stop the sound. You can even add keybind like we did earlier. There are so many cool soundboard sounds that you can explore. You can head to My Sounds at the top, third option, and add your own sound effect that you want. I think it's pretty cool if you ask me. Then we have Community Library.
Your deletion marks the beginning of the Age of Ultron.
I am not completely sure about this, but I think other users make sound effects and add it here. This allows others to use it. Now, if you want to add your own creativity, just click Upload Sounds to Web. It should be shorter than 10 seconds. Now it's time to show you the setup on Discord, since I only use Discord to voice chat. First, just join a voice chat channel. Turn on your mic. Now head to your user settings and select Voices and Video. It's simple. In Microphone, you will pick VoiceWave Microphone since you are using that app obviously. And then in Speaker, you will keep Windows default. You can adjust the volume for both however you want, and then just run mic test. Once that's successful, just scroll down. You'll find Crisp option. Click its drop down, you'll find many noise suppression options. Just select Standard, and that's it. Our work is done. Seems like my friends have also arrived. We will play a game together and I will just troll them with different voices. Now here we go.
Wait, what? Who told you that? I was playing Genshin earlier.
So you were not handling the server?
Wait, Emmy, where are you now?
I'm at Vault of Knowledge. Can you come here?
Eri, you?
We are flying to some kind of temple, I guess?
Wait, you don't know about the places, Eri?
あなたを探しに行くよ。
これは初めて聞きました。
She is on the Isle of Dawn. We are both flying.
Is that Nezuko?
No, I think it's Kanna's voice.
Keep guessing. You can do it.
Wait, I remember, I think you used this before. It's Anya from Spy Family.
Do I really sound like Anya to you? What the freak, Erica?
Wait, you just changed the voice?
Exactly. And this is
Well-
me.
Matilda, are you changing the voices?
Nope.
Oh, it's Pixie. Can you do Taylor Swift again?
Yes, of course I can. Why not?
Whoa.
Well,
This is just mad crazy.
Wait. What voice changer are you using again?
VoiceWave, I am actually making a video on this.
Wow.
Wow. The voices are pretty clean though.
Yeah?
VoiceWave? I think I'm gonna try that.
Have you heard about it, Emmy?
Nah, I think it's new.
Yeah. I will try it too.
Pixie, can you do that clown's voice? I don't know his name though.
Pennywise?
Yeah, I want to hear it too.
Yeah.
Wait, I got you.
I am Pennywise, the dancing clown. Do you like popcorn, Monica?
Hell no. But wow, that voice.
That's creepy, bro.
This is so cool.
I swear to God, this is so top-notch.
So I hope you guys liked that little trolling part. Now, we will come to download now. Go to link in my description below and download this app. It works on Windows 10 and 11. Downloading VoiceWave now will give you 4 voice effects and 1 new AI voice will be available daily for you. If you want to go for more immersive experience, you can go to its pricing. The monthly one is nearly $15, the yearly one is $30, and the lifetime one is $40. I think the lifetime is the best version. These plans give you crazy number of premium high-quality voices, 2 kinda AI model where performance priority allows you to work this app on low-end PCs, while the voice quality priority is more of a high-end PC-type model. Plus, they even go 24/7 technical support if anything goes down. And check their ratings on the Trustpilot. It has 4.9 out of 5.0. And around 20,594 people have rated it. My personal opinion on this? I have used so many voice changers before, but this one was different because it works on low-end PCs too. Plus, it was easy to use and installing it was super easy too. Shout out to the devs and the creator for making it so easy. So yeah, that is it. Check out Easus VoiceWave now. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And thank you VoiceWave for sponsoring this video.